Meaning of foreleg.
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 Foreleg. The term foreleg refers to the front leg of an animal with four legs, such as a horse or a dog. It is the limb that extends from the shoulder to the paw or hoof. Forelegs are typically used for support, balance, and movement. They are essential for all animals with four legs to navigate their environment. Without their forelegs, animals would be unable to stand or walk properly, and would struggle to perform many everyday tasks. Overall, the foreleg is a crucial part of an animal's anatomy, enabling it to move, hunt, and survive in its environment.